Welcome to part 2 of working with work orders. Today I will be showing you how to complete a work order task. We will be completing from the point that we left at in the first video. However, if you simply want to understand how to create a fresh new work order, all you have to do is click Add New Work Order and it takes you to the Add New Work Order screen. However, we will be starting from the work order that we created from the bid task line from the first video. To resume your work order from where we left off with the first video, click the Edit button. This brings up the Edit Work Order screen. It is pretty much synonymous to the Create New Work Order screen. It has all the same fields. So from this screen, what we'll do is we'll make sure that all of our information is correct. We'll make sure the task name of the work order is correct, the due date is correct. We'll make sure that the vendor that is taking care of this work order for us is correct. If we need to add an additional vendor, you can add the company with this plus button and it brings up the Add Vendor screen. Additionally, if you need to add a new contact for that company or for a new company you've added, you can click the plus button right here and it lets you add a new vendor representative. Continue through. If you need to upload a work order file, click the Browse button here and it'll allow you to select a file from your computer to upload it as a work order file. If your work order requires a document, it requires signature on invoice, or if you do not want to send an email, you can check off any one of these boxes here. Enter the mail subject, add any information that needs to be in the mail body, and to save this, click Save. Once your work order is completed and all the details of the work order have been received, you need to now complete this work order. To do that, click the Complete icon underneath Functions, and it brings up the Complete Work Order box. Enter the dollar amount that the work order will cost. Enter the work order invoice, the invoice that you'll receive from your vendor, any sort of notes that are necessary, and to complete this work order, click Complete. This effectively moves your work order into expenses, and now your work order is an expense. For more information about how to process expenses, please see the expenses video inside of our YouTube channel.